Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use social icons shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of social icons shortcode. Social icons is a great tool to showcase your social media profiles using beautiful icons in your page content area to enhance your social media visibility and engagement. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on social icons shortcode. You can see social icons shortcode settings and pop up here. POFO provides lots of different styles for beautiful social icons. So let me select style 1. Here you can enter your social media full URL. Here you can see list of social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, Google+, etc. Suppose you are not able to find your desired social media website option here, then you can add custom icon with CSS code in custom icons code field here. So let me enter hash for some websites, for example. CSS animation. You can select your desired CSS animation style from available list here. Let me select shake effect. Style tab. You can select icon size. Let me select medium size. You can select icon color. Let me select green as icon color. Let me select red as icon hover color. Go to extra tab. In case if you want to customize this shortcode deeply, then you can insert unique element ID for social icons element. You can insert custom CSS class name here and then write custom CSS code using element ID and class name. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child themes style file also. Let me save changes and let's check preview. Great, you can see list of social media profiles with icon and color selected. Let me select another style. Save changes and let's check preview. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.